The people in power have one agenda: to control. You can't control people that know the truth. It's that simple. It's very naive to think that the people that are in power, who call themselves the government, if you understand what that means to govern your mind. Government. The word ment is mentality. Let's break it down. These people are here to govern our mind, our mental. What would make it my job more easier? People that's thinking all outside the box and trying to challenge the status quo, challenge my control system that's already working the way that it's working. And now you got these deep motherfuckers that want to do a bunch of thinking. They want to, because think about this, right? Science works hand in hand with helping them govern our mind. The minds that start to critical think, they're hard to govern because you can't predict them.